seen it. Wait, what do you mean? I saw him assault you. Macau. Hell yeah, man. You know, special order.
I was gonna name it.
Cuss in this courtroom.
No.
All right, where's your client? Is your client on the premise?
He doesn't need to be here. It's a civil suit. I can represent him.
Oh, he doesn't want to be here?
What if he's found guilty?
Guilty? He's a civil suit. He can't be guilty as shit.
He's gonna have to sign the paperwork if he's fined for anything, old son.
If he's fine for anything, I'll handle it. I'm his legal representation, sir.
Just have him come here.
I already did. He said he didn't want to. He said I can handle it.
What the fuck?
Why?
There he is. He's right here.
Your Honor, I object.
No bikes in the courtroom, dickhead. Officers, you need to handle that shit. There's some class for the judge's fucking
Take
courtroom.
that bike outside.
Man.
Do we trust in God, though? I mean, I'm just throwing that out there.
You literally can't ragdoll in this fucking robe.
You can't ragdoll anywhere.
Really?
Yeah, I'm clicking up and can't ragdoll.
It's not up, it's you.
Oh, okay. Alright.
Not working.
Well,
All right, so
your
everyone's
ragdoll
here
is
that needs to be
broken.
here.
I put an announcement in for everybody so they could come here if they wanted to.
I just want to say something, Clay. First ever court RP. You're welcome. Kind of spearheaded by yours truly.
Hey,
Not
we
just,
are. Hey, if Clay can hear me, we are gonna
not
need
just
another
Pablo
attorney,
civilians for
set of attorneys. So, because
we are gonna need more attorneys because
you know,
each other is not
yeah,
not copacetic.
that's not good for
How much is
business.
the city paying you for this? We need to get our bank account up.
Ain't paying me shit, I ain't been paid yet.
Fucking bill them, motherfucker.
So I'll bill them after.
Can you do it? Can you do the the invoices menu?
I have no idea.
I think I might have to do it.
Somebody may need to
them
give me
all
a
quick
job.
Just looking for any weapons.
shit,
If
here,
they
hold on,
have
what's
it else on them,
2-3.
disregard it, 'cause it's just
You
arcane.
looking
They
like
go
Michael
through metal
Jordan out here,
detector.
old son.
Wait, what's the job for the attorneys? What's it say? Ready?
To win the case.
What's your ID, Brady?
2-3.
Yeah,
Michael
start
Jordan, old
with
son.
start with Kent and then go with
What's
the
it
other
say?
two.
Alright, I'm gonna be in my quarters.
So let us know when you're ready.
Defense attorney.
So I need to check your
No one's
client
on their
for
period.
We'll have Joe Nut.
You need to do what?
We'll have Joe Nut call you out.
for weapons.
What about now?
Go ahead.
Oh, I
It's just
do
like
have a
it's
gun
just like it's just like you're going through
I
metal
do have a gun
detector.
on me.
Gun into a courtroom.
I wasn't told I didn't
Pretty
need
sure
it.
they do that at the door.
Alright. You have any weapons on you?
Negative, sir.
I have a gun license, so
I don't care if you have a gun license or not. It doesn't belong in the courtroom.
you want me to go put it in the car then?
No, just you pull it, I'm shooting.
Just don't shoot
Oh,
him.
Alright.
I got my gun on me. I stay strapped.
We're statesmen for the law.
You got any
I
weapons on you?
represent too many
Dude.
shady individuals to not carry a gun. No, not
You
sir.
can
Not
secure it
you,
if you
outstanding
need be.
citizen of the community.
Of course.
Let's see here.
So is Nut gonna be the bailiff for this?
Would you like me to give
Yeah.
it to you, sir?
No, you don't have to.
Can I put my hands down?
Yes, you can.
Kind of felt uncomfortable there, you know.
Hey, where'd you put your hand at? I saw that, officer.
Oh, my butt. Feel violated.
Sir, I have to check you for weapons.
Whoa.
Show him your weapon.
It's long and black.
Oh, whoa.
Nice.
Oh, tickles.
I'm
So,
sure.
do we need to go talk to the judge?
If need be, I can go take it back to the car.
No, just mindful.
Definitely
Oh.
for civilians.
Oh, definitely, I'm bringing this shit out.
Alright, you can put your hands down.
You gonna tickle me again?
Did check you for weapons?
I mean, you can. I'm a felon. I can't have anything. So.
Still gonna
Tony, I can get the record clear for you.
I need it cleared anyway. But anyhow.
Expunged, old son.
Oh shit.
Sorry, wrong terminology. My bad.
Am I
What's your
getting a
job
new
say,
lawyer?
Brady?
I'm a defense attorney, old son.
No, try it again. I changed it.
State. Oh,
What does it say?
state
broom wheel good?
prosecutor.
I know you
What?
have one.
I'm a state prosecutor, old son.
Yeah, that's okay. I'm Attorney General.
Oh, you
All
fuck
right,
you.
give it a minute.
Are you guys gonna
All
quit
right.
having a pissing
You
competition
guys ready?
up there?
I want
Tony.
your job, old son. We should have
Can't
the
have
same
it.
jobs.
His job pays more.
Is state prosecutor underneath you, or like second
Think so.
command?
I don't know. We'll figure it out.
Oh yeah.
You guys all set?
Are you guys good?
Yeah, we're good.
All right, boom. Give it like 20 seconds. Nut announce that he's coming in, and
You should nut in the courtroom.
all right, everyone mute.
Please be seated.
Is that Anthony?
Oh, I think these chairs are broken, sir. I don't think we can.
They're standing
I don't
for
think
the
I can
chairs,
sit.
that's fine.
Yeah, I think his chairs are broken, sir.
They hurt my back, sir.
Yeah.
Okay.
If they're gonna stand, I'm gonna stand.
All right, both attorneys come up here, please. Evening, sir. How are you doing? All right, so you are representing who, sir, in the black? Kent Van Heusen. Okay. And you, sir, are representing Los Santos Metro Police Department? Okay. And this docket is for what exactly again? Remind me over my paperwork. Okay.
In God we trust.
Let's see here. Okay, so no Miranda rights. No Miranda rights were read, billed after the fact. Okay.
Oh, that motherfucker went to sleep? Probably.
Okay. And how does he plead?
Not guilty.
Plea criminal charges.
Okay. All right. And what was your name, sir? Yes, sir. Leroy Jenkins. Okay. Okay. Sir, to my left. What is the Los Santos Metro Police Department wanting out of this? Okay. Okay. And what are you seeking? Okay. And what are those charges?
Yeah, damn.
All right. Okay. Yeah. All right. Just gotta get a little water from my whistle. All right. So we'll start with the prosecution first. Go ahead and call up your first witness.
Witness?
Okay.
Who the fuck is a witness?
Can't, if you'd like to take a stand for us, please.
Should have moved up a seat. Holy shit.
Mr. Van Heusen, how you doing? I am well. My bailiff's gonna go over what he needs you to do, and then once you're done with that, you can be seated. Yes, sir.
No justice. X motherfucker. Put your hands up.
Mr. Jenkins, Mr. What was his name?
He or this gentleman?
The other lawyer, sir.
The Rock Johnson's.
Okay. Okay. You guys can stay close so you can hear each other. I know that voice activity is rough.
Mr. Van Heusen, how you doing this afternoon? I'm doing pretty good. So, will you walk me through the events that happened the day in question, please, from the beginning?
They can't hear. They can come up closer.
Front row seats up in here.
If you want, go sit in the jury stand so you can hear.
Yes, sir. So after everything happened in the house, after you were put in the handcuffs or you were wrongfully shot by the PD officer behind me, describe from that point forward exactly what happened.
That's what I thought you meant
If you
to ask
want,
me.
you can go sit in the jury stand so you can
At
hear.
that point in time, I was handcuffed by the officer here in the courtroom.
Okay.
His counterparts from other police departments had already vacated the premises.
The fuck can you move?
I was told to hang on while he writes his reports. This lasted an extreme amount of time.
How much time would you say, sir?
Probably in the neighborhood of 10 minutes.
Okay.
The officer, as I stood around in my driveway, the officer then tased me in the back.
You doing anything wrong?
I was walking around, was not told to stand anywhere
Okay.
specifically.
Okay.
From that point, he told me he attempted to tell me what the charges were. At that point, there was also notifications going off that there was an impending storm. I told him, can we find a way to move this process along because I can't be in the storm? And he said, fine, I'm done with you, and put me in jail and fined me $231,000. I was in jail for 421 months, where I subsequently passed away once and was revived. And basically it.
Okay. At any point did he read you your
after I had been assessed an invoice and put in jail.
And did he at any point go over your charges or your total fine amount or fining?
No, not in its
Okay.
entirety as it's written.
Okay. On a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the worst, how bad has LSPD tarnished your reputation due to
Well,
this incident?
that'd be a hard 10. I can't get a job.
Okay, and now you're broke because of said actions of the officer?
If you want to check my account, I'm negative money right now.
Okay, okay. I have no further questions, Your Honor.
Okay, cross-examine. Cross-examination.
Okay, Mr. Van Housen. Tell me what led up to this extreme circumstance that happened to you on the day of this crime.
Oh, objection, Your Honor. That's why we're here, is to justify whether it was a crime or not.
I'll allow it.
Can you repeat the question?
Can you explain to me what led up to you being detained, fined, and jailed the day this happened?
I plead the fifth.
You have to answer the question, Mr. Van Housen.
Oh shit.
I woke up, had breakfast. I washed my balls.
Oh shit. No, I can't.
And after that, I think I went for lunch at some point. I think I had a turkey sandwich.
I can't with this moment right now.
Yeah, it was definitely a turkey sandwich. I don't remember it being that good though. What are those details you were asking about? Oh, can you be more specific?
Why were you charged with super speeding, attempted murder, discharge of a firearm, murder, terroristic threats, carrying a weapon without a license, and reckless conduct and endangerment?
Because the cop wrote it in there and charged me with those crimes.
Okay, why did they write it in there and show up at your house?
Because they believe that I did those things.
Okay. So, why would they believe you did these things?
I would guess you would have to ask them that question.
I don't have to ask them them questions. I'm asking you.
Objection, Your Honor. Is there a point to this, sir?
If you could rephrase that question for him, Mr. Rock.
Why would the officer have not Mirandaized you?
Because he didn't do his job.
Mr. Van Housen, let him finish his question before you answer, please.
Why would he Mirandize you and have you in cuffs outside of your house?
Because he failed to do his job.
Okay, what led up to him detaining you?
Because he was charging me with crimes.
Why would he have charged you with these crimes?
Because he thought I committed them.
Okay, so did have a court order and a warrant signed off. We do have body cam footage.
Okay, this isn't a criminal proceeding. We're talking about why the law was not followed and why I was not given due process, correct?
Judge, I'd like to note for the record that body cam footage has nothing to do with the case other than to falsely prove the bad actions. At this point, we're not arguing whether he did it or not. We're arguing that he was unjustly detained and not Mirandized, and therefore charged with charges that should not hold up.
Okay. I think what what he's asking is there had to have been something that had happened prior to you being detained. I believe that's the question that Mr. Johnson is asking you.
Your Honor, that's not what's in question here. What's in question is the way he was treated once he was placed in the cuffs, and how he was his rights were violated afterwards, and that's why
No,
we're seeking what we're seeking. It has nothing to do with what was done beforehand.
I understand that, but he's asking the question what had led up to that point. Like,
And I clearly answered because he thought I did committed crimes, which he charged me for, booked me for, and I served 421 months for.
Yeah, we're not questioning whether he did those crimes. We were questioning the way he was unjustly treated, and his civil rights were violated after the fact.
Okay. Your Honor, I have one more question.
Mhm.
When you were asked what your charges were, did you or did you not respond with do what you want and do what you have to do? I have to go deal with the kids.
Not in those words.
Did you respond with something along those lines?
I said the storm is coming. You need to figure out how to process this because I don't have all day.
Okay. So therefore the officer did find a way to process this. He did try and tell you what your fines were and then sent you to jail.
He sent me to prison. I was not given a lawyer. I was not given due process. You are correct.
But you did say do what you have to do, correct?
And if I said that at any other given point, I would still be given a proper attorney, phone call, and every other civil right entitled to me under the U.S.
Mr. Kent,
Constitution.
Mr. Kent, answer the question.
Did.
Your Honor, I have no further questions.
okay, Mr. Jenkins, any cross-examination on this?
He locked that man up in his driveway.
Hey man,
No
I
ju-
went to,
no
I went to
justice,
jail
no
because of that
peace.
bullshit. Fuck
A
the
little rowdy in here.
police.
Oh, no, sir. I don't have any further questions.
Gentlemen,
Van
keep it
Heusen.
down, please.
Mr. Van Hazen, you can leave the stand.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay.
All right.
Just taste me a
My
little
bad,
bit.
Colonel Sanders.
I can't.
Bailiff, notify that gentleman who
Nice
just
beer,
said
man.
that one more outburst, he will be vacated from the premises and out of my courtroom.
Hey, bro, if you need an attorney, need a business card.
One more outburst like that, and you'll be vacated from the
I
courtroom.
heard.
Yeah, I heard.
Mr. Rock Johnson, do you have anyone you want to call to the stand?
Let me go through my files here.
Yeah.
I would like to call Mr. Anthony Smith. He would be the LSMPD Assistant Chief
Okay.
Mm.
/ arresting officer.
Okay. Mr. Smith,
Yes, sir.
how are we doing, sir?
Good, sir. How are you?
I am well, sir. Just go ahead and follow my bailiff's instructions, and then you can continue to stand. Bailiff, when you're ready, sir.
Can you state your first name, spell your last, and what your rank is, sir, please?
First name is Anthony. Last name is Smith. Smith. And I'm currently one of the assistant chiefs for Los Angeles Metropolitan Police Department.
Thank you. Can you put your hand on the Bible? Do you swear that the testimony you're about to give is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? So help you God.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mr. Rock Johnson, you have the floor.
Okay, Mr. Smith. At the time of the arrest, or said arrest, did you or did you not read him his Miranda rights before or after the detaining?
After the detaining.
Okay. And can you tell me why he was detained for questioning?
You want the full story, or just the summed up version?
Just summed up version would be fine.
We got a report of a robbery on a gas station in Mirror Park. Myself and some state police and sheriff deputy, responded, and when we got close to the scene, we saw a grazing torno.
The hell? Thunderstorm. Continue.
We saw a grazing torno leaving the scene. We pursued, and he led us on a county-wide pursuit. We attempted multiple times to pit him, and he kept on going. During the pursuit, he had 2 cars.
Objection,
which-
Your Honor. He asked for the.
You did say that you were going to give him the summarized version,
Regulation.
sir.
Okay, long story short, led on a county-wide pursuit. He ended up going to his house, bringing his car, and running into his house. Therefore, a SWAT activation occurred, and countywide SWAT team assembled, and we surrounded the house. Myself, PC201, 1D102, and CP21 responded. I had our armored vehicle outside the house with one of our rookie officers. PC201, CP21, and 1D102 stacked up. They went in. They breached the door. I can't tell you what happened from there because I was outside watching the door. I heard shots. I went to check their status. I got no answer, and I had a panic alarm activation from inside the house from PC201's radio. Told the rookie to watch the door. I went and breached. I saw a subject with a gun. I shot him. I took him down, and I found 3 downed officers fatally wounded in the bedroom. I provided first aid, placed Mr. Van Heusen in cuffs, and I brought him outside, where he was detained for questioning. And that's what led up to it.
Okay. At the time, you exited the residence with Mr. Van Heusen. Do you know approximately how long it was before the storm?
Approximately 20 minutes.
Okay. And as 20 minutes approaching, what has said and what has always been done required to minutes approaching?
Within that time, I had Mr. Van Heusen outside in handcuffs. He did decide to run around. Thought he was escaping. And I tased him
Who told you he was escaping?
so that I could get a hold of him so he doesn't run around.
Nobody can hear you if you talk.
I then proceeded to
What? You
start
talking to me?
adding up the charges on my tablet that I carry for work. And I told him it would be a few minutes. And once I got all his charges and fine totals, I asked him if he wanted to know what his charges was. And that's when he responded along the lines of what I wrote in my report, which was do what you have to. I have to deal with the kids, something along those lines. So I'll let you speak, sir.
Do you think you handled the arrest and detaining appropriately?
Yes.
I think I handled it appropriately.
Objection, Your Honor. Hearsay.
Hey, put that joint out.
I think I handled the arrest appropriately, but I think I could have done better.
Your Honor, I have no further questions.
Okay. Mr. Jenkins, cross-examination.
Mr. Smith, how you doing this evening?
I'm good, Mr. Jenkins. How are you?
I'm here. So, first and foremost, if you had a suspect barricade in the house, you had to activate SWAT. First thing you do once you put him in cuffs should have been what?
I should have. First thing I did when I put him in cuffs, I applied first aid because that was more important.
Okay, so what should have been your next step?
Brought him outside of the hostile environment so
Okay.
other deputies can run in and try to heal the downed officers.
Okay, so what should have been your following step after that?
Following step was I
Should have
put the
been.
charges together, so
Okay.
when I read
So-
him his rights, I can read him all his charges that go along with it of why he's arrested.
Okay, so right there, when you talk to Miss Johnson, you explained it, correct?
I'm sorry, can you repeat
Drink,
that?
drink some
When
water.
you talked to Mr. Johnson previously, you told him that at that time he was only 18. Isn't that what you just told him, sir?
Yes, he was detained because
So
the
why were his?
charges weren't put together yet so that I can fully arrest him.
But you were gonna charge him and arrest him already, right?
Yeah, but I'm not going to arrest him if I don't have the actual charges of what I'm arresting him for.
So at that point, you knew you were gonna charge him. Why did you wait so long to Mirandize him?
So I could get the charges together so I can tell him what he's arrested for.
We're putting a safe cop car.
Hold on, Mr. Kent. So I guess what I'm trying to figure out is if you already knew you were gonna arrest him, you already knew you were gonna charge him with some sort of crime, why did you think it was justfully to question him and only detain him and not read him his Miranda rights off the rip, sir?
Because, like I said, I get the charges together so I can Mirandize him and then read him what he's being arrested for. It's his choice if, while he's detained, he wants to talk or not. Am I wrong?
Did you ask him any questions before you read him his?
Yes.
I do not recall.
So yes, I was there.
So,
I saw it.
with that being said, at that point, so what you did is you brought him outside, put him in handcuffs. You didn't Mirandize him. You started asking him questions while you were in your tablet worrying about charges that you already knew you were going to give him a client. And therefore, at that point, you already knew you were going to arrest him, yet you failed to Mirandize him for his constitutional right. At any point along this line, did you offer to get him an attorney? Or did you offer him to call his attorney?
Nope.
Wouldn't I do that back at the precinct, sir?
Did you ever make it back to the precinct, sir?
No, because of the pending storm.
Oh, okay. So let me ask you another question. Why, if this was so rough and you claim it was so close to tsunami, why was this not picked up after tsunami then when we could have done this the legal and just way instead of stealing my client's constitutional rights?
That I was not able to come back in after the tsunami.
Okay. So, because you wasn't convenient for you to come back in, you unjustly and uncivilly charged and fined my client.
Yeah.
Is that what I'm understanding?
I then unjustly charge.
It's
And
a simple
fine him.
yes or no question.
I don't agree with your statement.
So,
what's going
What's
on
up,
over there? Why
Gabe?
is he talking to one of the civilians?
Your Honor, I have no further
You
questions.
realize you're
Okay.
testifying, you cannot speak to anybody.
Mr. Johnson, stand by for a second.
Bailiff, he's not being charged criminally. That's not.
I
What's
understand
up, Gabe? How you been, man?
Receipts, he would not be able to talk to somebody.
Hey, well,
I
you
could
just
leave the courtroom. It's still free will.
Okay. Mr. Johnson, you can proceed with your
I fucking hate
cross-examination
you.
if you have any questions.
No, sir. I'm done at this time, Your Honor.
I said, Mr.
Oh,
We got
okay.
we
I
got a
know
criminal
your name
case
is
going
similar,
on.
Sorry about that.
Say again, Mr. Johnson?
No further questions.
Okay.
Murder
Sure.
charge.
May I make a statement?
Objection.
On what grounds?
He's in question. He's just here to testify, and that's it, sir.
I'll allow it.
Ooh.
Mr. Johnson, you can leave the stand.
Because no one really asked me what exactly happened on my part.
Didn't you write it in your report?
So after he said along the lines of, "Can we find a way to hurry this up?" I was like, "Okay, because of the storm, we'll find a way to hurry this up." So therefore, when he was
Objection.
Yes,
out
sir.
of character per se, I was like,
Objection,
okay.
Your Honor. This isn't a matter of being out of character. This is a matter of
I'm
whether my
simply
client's
stating-
rights
I'm
violated.
just simply stating my view. What happened? I have my rights
You
to
wrote
say
it in
that.
your report, right?
Objection, Your Honor. Already been noted.
Okay. Everything's been noted beforehand. I'm going to throw out what you're putting out now, Mr. Smith,
Okay.
and you can leave the stand, sir. Any other witnesses?
I confirm with my lawyer, please.
Can we get a quick recess, sir, so I can talk to my...
Yes, sir. We'll do a 5-minute recess.
I don't need that long, just about a minute or two, sir.
Okay. Just have the bailiff come get me in my quarters.
All right. Let's go.
Can I meet with the judge in the quarters?
Hey man, what do you guys got some food? Or we're supposed to store
I
it
will
here.
find out if he'll speak.
I
to
got
you
some
or
food.
not.
No justice, no peace. Yo, where did blood come from on this wall, homie? You know, period.
Yes, sir.
Did the motherfucker shit himself and get on the wall?
I don't know.
I mean, you
I
shit
might be
yourself.
going to the stand next, so
I mean, well, it's over, homie. There ain't no more witnesses. There ain't no more witnesses.
You looking at one?
Man, I'm the biggest witness. I watched that man get his shit violated. I was at my house.
Hey, I got arrested because of that motherfucker, and I won my civil suit.
Man, they shot my damn Ferrari up. I had to pay all that money out of my insurance company. You know that shop charged me $40,000 just for the hood.
God damn, what the fuck are you driving?
Fucking Ferrari 430, man.
Man, they would fucking charge you.
Yeah, I mean it's custom paint job and everything, it's custom hood.
That was just fucking red.
The motherfuckers fucked my shit up, and they destroyed my bumper. You don't even want to know what they charged me for the bumper.
You're taking the stand.
Who?
Can he
You.
not be over by civilians?
D? See?
No justice, no peace. Call that man Judge Dredd.
About this one, but you see the one in the back. I think he might be a bit dirty. Look at the blood on the floor.
Someone had a period over there.
Yeah, someone had her period. Huh?
Too much coke. He got anal bleeding. Yo.
The fuck are those sneakers, dude?
Man, these are custom made, man. Custom ordered dunks. They're like one of two. Somebody else got another pair, I think.
Damn, you got all that suit and everything, then just fucking sneakers. Shit.
Hell yeah, classy. We're still ready to party.
Shoes, those are Giovanni.
That just says you bougie, motherfucker.
I am bougie.
I mean, I guess. I think
I drive a Rolls Royce, motherfucker. What you think?
I drive a BMW and a bike because my
that
car
basically
broke.
means you're an asshole and you can't drive.
I can drive pretty good. You should know that.
Do you indicate when you drive?
Do what?
Indicate? Turning signals?
No, I don't use those. You don't need
Yeah, typically. Anyway, if you said that, I would know you drive a fucking.
I've been chilling, you know, living life, working.
I had to drive a
playing
bicycle
around.
all the way over here because my freaking garage makes my cars go bang when they spawn in.
I mean, some exercise, I guess.
Man, this man knows shit all over the wall.
Yeah, I got 3 cars.
He's doing shit all on the wall. Somebody over there bleeding and shit.
But if I know, I guess.
That's motherfucking Judge Dredd, you know. There's shit all over the wall.
That officer makes me want to buy a fucking
Wait, fried chicken, we bring a watermelon?
I don't know, he just reminds me of a young Colonel Sanders.
Oh, low key. You're right. You might be getting kicked out.
You're wrong, Colonel Sanders. Mom was right.
Oh my god. Oh.
You're wrong, Colonel Sanders. My mom was right.
Oh, Loretta, that's so nasty. We're sitting in this courtroom with this Colonel Sanders looking motherfucker.
What the fuck is this Cleveland Brown looking ass motherfucker doing here? What? Wait, I'm confused.
Yo, I'm really trying to figure out. I'm really trying to figure out. Did you push really hard to get that on the wall like that? You.
Just drank a lot of coffee, man. Shit through a keyhole at 90 yards.
Yeah, it's Taco Bell, motherfucker.
Yo, this man had the fucking bubble gum. Fuck it.
I mean, I was either gonna, he's gonna either win the case or we're nuking this place, you know? With Taco Bell.
I'm trying to figure out who's bleeding from the anal over there on the floor.
Right.
I think it's Colonel Sanders. Look at him.
It's remember the other officer because he's fixing to get shafted.
Better learn how to keister.
He already knows that shit.
It's okay. I've got a pending charge too because I didn't get read my rights, and the officer told me, "Don't drop the soap," and sent me to fucking prison.
Did you drop the soap?
Fuck no! I ran around trying to figure out how to escape that bitch.
Oh, you probably shouldn't say that in front of these folks.
I don't matter. I didn't get out.
Unless you fucking tried. Next time, give me a call. I don't have a record. I don't have a record. Oh shit! Yeah.
You want me to write it in the sky, SOS with the stars, bro?
If you could, yeah. You know what you should have? One of those fireworks. You just let them go. Goes.
Yo, this man literally ate fucking 5 bean burritos, 2 chalupas, and a motherfucking gallon of tea, and just shit all over the wall, yo.
Gotta put the hot sauce on my burrito, baby.
Yo, why every time I come to the kitchen, you in the kitchen, eating all the pig feet, All the hog malt. I like pig feet too. That motherfucking quiet. I don't know where that shit's from. Y'all lame.
I know where that shit's from.
Y'all got quiet as fuck. Like, what the fuck is he talking about?
I was just letting you do your thing.
Man.
I like talking to myself.
Man, chick said she looked like Janet Jackson came out looking like Freddie Jackson.
You experience with chicks, huh?
I'm a ghost.
And I'll leave it whatever I want to name it. Don't you fucking say shit.
Friday.
Oh.
Out of all things, he just comes out and say Friday. What the fuck?
Yeah, 3 hours later.
Court's over. You going to jail, motherfucker.
Right.
Been to jail.
Oh shit!
Oh shit!
He's getting rowdy.
Take his ass.
Woo! Keep going.
Make him twitch. Make him twitch.
All right.
Make him shake that ass, man.
Whoa.
Do it.
Not here. It's too
another blood spot from him when he moves.
Just stop making blood spots all over the wall.
The wall to me looks clean.
look like a dead. What do you mean? It look like a crime scene over here.
In my eyes too. That's what I know what the fuck they're talking about. I see one spot, and it's his period blood.
Right there. Right there.
Yeah. Yeah, you gotta tell your officer, what was it, Anthony, if I'm not mistaken? To
Change his pad.
Was it that CP3 Anthony over there bleeding?
My doll and a Snickers. Not yourself when you're hungry. Or cramping.
Or a period. Crabby legs.
Hey, if he's got crabby legs, he needs to go get this shit checked out.
Did you say he's got crabs? What?
Mm-hmm.
This man over here said he got crabby legs.
I know me.
Can't
This
ragdoll
motherfucker.
anymore.
That's
Diet
space.
or something or what?
The judge is back
No,
there
both officers are speaking with him in his quarters.
Oh, okay.
trying to figure out what the word of the bird is, man.
Man, you better go get in there and get the video camera out.
Right?
They got the judge doing some freaky shit in there.
You gonna go back there and see which one of them works harder for this case?
Mr. The Rock. Oh yeah, you gotta see who you gotta hire for this side, man.
Yo.
That's funny.
Whichever one comes out with the biggest bald spot, you know which one's gonna win the case.
This man has the biggest bald spot.
Oh, I can't.
Colonel Sanders had to go let the men in black in.
Mr. Kent, come on me, please.
Mr. Smith, can you follow me?
Look,
What?
that's one of the agents back in the day. It's the
Oh,
guy from
shit.
The Matrix.
Oh shit! It's Mr. Smith.
Goddamn.
He's got a Desert Eagle. Watch out.
I'm Neo in this bullshit. I'm Neo. Come me.
You Mio. Man, you my hoe.
Nah, I guess that's you and Jake.
What?
Huh?
Ain't nobody's hoe.
Ain't no hope.
You everybody's hoe. You Santa's little helper. Ho ho ho.
It's them ho-ho-hos falling from the sky?
I wish, motherfucker.
Hey, I think the motherfuckers went to Sizzlers.
Man, them guys just left us in here.
Right? I think we next.
I think we should burn this bitch down.
I'm still waiting for my money from the fucking court. From the PD.
Oh, they ain't paying you shit.
They're paying me everything.
I still gotta get my first.
The chief of police already said he's gonna pay it. I mean, he already agreed with my lawyer. They signed the papers. Oh shit, muscle spasm. My bad.
What the hell?
My bad, man.
What
The
the hell?
chief of police
Makes me
told
very blood on the floor.
No, give a
I
shit.
think they went to go get some more Taco Bell.
You're getting Taco Bell, motherfuckers. Without me? You're getting kicked out. Maybe not. This man dipped.
The other attorney?
They went in the other room, I think.
Oh, okay.
Who about to do some straining for a piece of change?
What? Whoa, 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 whoa!
Me and him need to talk to the judge first. Go from there.
I think
Name
this
I'm
is
writing
gonna...
on the wall for you.
You have blood? The fuck you got STDs, man?
I was peeing until the cop came over there.
Oh shit! I'll make sure not to go that way. I see that piss stain.
Yeah, go that way.
I ain't going that way, motherfucker.
If he loses
These
this
shoes are
case,
expensive. I'm bougie. I gotta go the different way. Or bougie,
you
whatever the fuck.
you're not bad and you bougie.
Yeah. Bad and bougie.
No, I said you're not bad, but you're bougie.
I'll shoot you, motherfucker.
Man, I came in this bit strapped.
Whoa, officer, he has a gun. Can't do that, man.
Mr. Dillon, how you doing today?
I'm doing fine, Mr. Jenkins. How you doing?
I'm doing good. I'm still working on that 1.5.
I'm waiting for that shit. I gotta get
I
cashed
know,
out,
I
you know?
know, I know.
This
When's the rent due
motherfucker
on the new
payday.
place?
I don't think we no rent. Just some reputation.
I can't move back into the house, man.
I have
You
to
should have
sleep
set
in my
up a rental
office at this
agreement
point.
so you make some money. Get him out there hustling.
He's making money. Man, he's
Yeah,
about to get paid.
Don't matter until it's in the account.
Come on here, sir. I can give it to you. Big Dog Law Firm. Actually, you can find me in the yellow pages.
Okay. Well, anyways, I don't know if you know this Officer O'Connell guy, but he took all my shit away from me.
How long ago was this?
Dude, forever ago.
Look at John Henry.
May not
Sitting
be able
cool.
to do nothing.
This mother
Go ahead and
cool
send me
cat
your
over
contact
here.
info so I can
Leaning
have it.
up.
What's that?
I'll be talking to you.
Or go ahead and send me your contact info so I can have it.
He gave it to me.
I tried to. Oh, I gave it to
Okay,
him.
what to you?
Oh,
Not close enough to the right person.
acting brand new.
What'd he give you?
His contact info. Move, motherfucker.
Hey, hey, guys, watch your language in court, please.
You gonna go to booty jail? You keep on yelling.
I'm bad and bougie, motherfuckers.
Bad.
Yeah.
Walking in pee.
You said move. I move, my brother.
That's you. Boy, dump pistol all over the floor.
I mean, you shit on the wall. He pissed on the floor. What the fuck?
No justice, no peace.
And you got it up the ass. So.
Whoa. No, sir.
What did he say?
Facts, man. It's facts.
Oh, Loretta, there's people spray painting everywhere. That's so nasty.
What the fuck? Can you do Peter?
You said, can you do Peter? What the fuck kind of shit you on?
Peter Griffin, dumbass. He's doing.
I can't, bro.
Can you do Stewie? Brian? Someone?
I don't guess so. I've never tried it.
I know you can do Louis, whatever.
What?
Uh-huh.
Just because you got a kinky fetish with Lotus, don't mean you can do her.
You're wrong.
Man, they ain't in there plotting my murder or what?
No telling.
That's a...
And if anything happens after this, we'll just bring it back in. You should.
Man, no justice, no peace.
I hear that.
Say it, but 5.
Preach, brother. Preach.
A little better from the B Street.
Mr. Nut over there looking all serious.
Hey, you got
I
some
think,
nut?
I think I got a feeling he's a silent nutter. You know when he talks, he goes and then he nuts and doesn't say shit. No
Yeah,
sound comes out.
you went a little too far with that one. He's a silent nutter.
He is a
Yo,
silent
why
nutter.
this man on the ground? What the fuck?
Who's on the ground?
What do you
He's
mean,
trying
who's
to
a-
smell my feet. I told you he was weird.
Yo, he's got a weird foot fetish.
What the fuck?
What? Wait, why did he hop up looking like that? Smoking a cigarette. Yeah, what's your feet smell like for him to come up looking like that?
What the hell's going on?
I don't know when to smell him.
Hell no, motherfucker. Yo, he smelled your feet, came up smoking a cigarette.
You know, my feet are better than fucking.
Did you
They
let
smell
him
them
fuck your
once.
toes?
What, motherfucker?
Yeah, I think he's jerking off like that.
Oh, look at Rex, look at me.
Hey, look at
Oh, I'll be right back.
Hey, look at that.
Yeah, what the fuck?
That's my strong hand.
Whoa, what the fuck was that? You just squirt, motherfucker?
Yo, he squirted it all back there. and
You
shit.
saw that shit?
I did. I can't. These motherfuckers are stupid. Squirted all over his face. Now he's taking a selfie.
My dreams, man. I want to approach Mr. Johnson and ask him for autograph. The Rock.
Johnson, you ready to talk to the judge?
Yes.
All right.
Follow
You get
me,
the judge
Mr.
for us, sir?
Yep, he knows you're coming.
All right. Mr. Johnson.
Damn, they having another circle jerk in there?
Oh, the process.
Yeah, please the man, you know?
Man, I'm just shooting my way out, leaving no witness.
Whoa, that's why you
Almost
got like
as long
17
as it took
kids.
him to freaking book me.
They're bad about not reading rights. Just saying.
Yeah, that's why I won my fucking suit, because they didn't read me my rights. They put me in fucking custody for no reason. And that's why I got 1.5 from the city.
Why is he talking
But
to
thank
the
you.
civilians when he's supposed to be by himself?
I'm talking to the other parties in here, like
Would
on
you like
Mr.
me to come
Henry.
over there and talk to you so you don't have to talk to yourself? Is that what it is? You salty, sir?
Thank you, sir.
I am
I can
indeed
stop-
talking to him.
I could slide your
else.
hand in my pocket.
Oh,
What?
what? Pardon? I'm out.
No.
I'm out.
This man is really pissed. I ain't. Let you, sir, the one behind you.
We have us a pivot man.
Can you just
Really
go
look-
wait on the other side of the room for me, please?
You want to see something awesome?
Yeah, what you got?
I've been training for a fucking minute.
Okay.
Don't kick me, motherfucker.
Ha! Yeah, I got my black belt.
I mean, you fucking weirdo.
Yeah. Telling me, huh?
Yeah, I think he's bleeding from his anal again.
It might be. Whoa, what the fuck? I'll slap you for real, motherfucker. Don't. What you missing?
It's over. We can go home, right?
Who got the weed?
Man.
Hell no.
Nigga, is you gay?
Hey, he tried to kiss me. He's doing this dude.
Yo, hell no, you ain't kissing me, motherfucker. Get away from me.
Yo, what the fuck is wrong with you? I'll go talk to the officer. Hello, officer.
Go back to your seat.
Don't like that?
Oh shit. They're coming back.
All right. What the fuck?
Yo.
Mr. Johnson, Mr. Jenkins, and Mr. Smith and Mr. Van Housen, please step forward. Okay. Mr. Van Housen, you agree to the terms that were brought to you by your counsel?
I do.
Mr. Smith, you agree to the terms that were brought to you by your counsel?
I don't, but I don't have a choice.
In general chat.
It's either you agree to it or you don't, sir. Okay.
So this deal's not happening?
Is the agreement not moving forward? Mr. Johnson.
It's supposed to.
Mr. Smith, are we a go for this, or are we gonna have to escalate?
I would like to take this to the Supreme Court.
Damn.
All right. That's
Judge
not
can
what we
rule.
just talked
Civil
about.
suit. This judge can still rule.
I mean, you want to rule it, it's your choice, Judge, but I don't agree with it. But if that's your call, that's your call.
Okay. So here's what I'm gonna do.
The funny thing is that y'all brought this
How do
deal
we
to
have
us.
an agreement?
Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. I was told by both counsels that this was agreed upon. So I'm gonna stamp this as approved for now. If you disagree with it, you can file an appeal. It will be brought here to the courthouse. We'll review it, and if found necessary, then it will be taken up to a criminal court case.
So at this time, the charges are going to come off direct.
At this time, yes, but
Okay.
if it moves forward to a criminal court case, then those charges will be pending
Yes.
the trial. Yes, sir.
Yes, as long as they are removed as time of it.
Okay, so Mr. Johnson, can you notify Mr. Van Housen what his charges are going to be as of now?
Your charges are going to be super speeding ×1 and discharge of a firearm ×1. Your fines are 14,000. You will be back paid 61,000 out of the
75
75,000
total.
awarded.
Yeah. All right.
You understand that, Mr. Van Housen?
I do, Your Honor.
Okay.
Oh,
Yes, Mr. Smith.
talk to my lawyer for 1 second.
You can hop in the hallway by my quarters if you need to.
We bring countersuit if they want to.
If they want to,
if they renege on their, if they try to appeal it, and yeah, we can counter.
if they want to appeal and submit this up to a criminal court case, you guys can counter appeal it, counter sue essentially.
Yeah, they're gonna pay all my legal fees too, because this is gonna be
That's up between you and your counter lawsuit if you want to move forward with this. But as of this time, you're just going to be having those two fines as two Class C misdemeanors, no felonies at this time.
Correct me if I'm wrong, Judge. He'll still be eligible a license, right? Weapons permit.
He should still be liable for a weapons license. If not, if you have an issue with that, then obviously bring it up to you, and you can bring it up to who's in charge of that, sir. Yes. Mr. Johnson,
Yes.
were you good to move forward with this?
Yes.
Okay. So at this time, Mr. Van Housen, you're being charged with super speeder ×1 and discharge of firearm ×1 in the amount of $14,000. You're being back paid from the city for $61,000 in total $75,000. Those charges will be off your record. And again, like I said, pending a criminal court case, if they want to appeal this, they are more than allowed to do so. At that time, then those charges will be pending your trial. You understand, sir?
Understood.
All right. Any other questions for anybody else?
No, sir.
No, Your Honor.
All right. Course dismissed. Have a good day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I'm gonna go have a conversation.
It's a dub. Cool, boys.
That's a dub for us.
No felony charges, just misdemeanor, and he still gets paid 60-something grand. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a huge dub.
Yo, someone's still bleeding. I'm seeing the trail.
Huh?
There was like 2 spots in that motherfucking room.
I am bleeding, man. You think I can argue the 100-something K in speeding fines?
No.
Shit.
Yo, what the fuck? Yo, where that fireman come from?
I told him the case is getting hot, you know? Heat it up.
That guy hot and heavy. Oh, they about to beat his ass. Yo! They fucking that man up. Kick his ass, ass.
Congrats, Jenkins.
Yo, he getting fucked up over there.
Like that?
Yo!
I'm gonna arrest that man. He beat up the fire department.
Yo!
Whoa!
He's getting fucked.
You are a waste of space. Give him back shots. Give him back shots. Firefighters. Police.
What, we thinking half to me, half to you?
Yeah.
I mean, that's what we agreed upon, right? I got
Yeah.
all them. You got no felony.
Well, we agreed no charges, but yeah, same difference, close enough.
I mean,
He's-
listen,
I mean,
you
this
killed.
is the best
You
you're gonna get.
literally shot fucking 10,000 cops and
3, yeah.
yeah,
Allegedly.
and let them on a fucking. Come on, like,
He better not
Yeah.
have fucking appeal. He's not even
I
paying
mean,
the fine.
if
I don't even
he
understand what his
does-
deal is.
if he does, he's a little salty. I mean, look, retarded. That's what it is.
Wait, so what? He's got to pay the fines?
Well,
I
the
don't think
city's
he's
got to pay the
paying it,
fine.
but
PD is
The
paying
city
it.
is. Yeah, PD.
They
So why is he
fixing to
salty?
They fixing to pay 1.5 anyways, so.
Well, what do you gotta wait? 18 million business days or what?
No, I gotta catch the chief at the right.
Oh, okay.
So wait, why was he so salty?
Cause I made him look fucking retarded on the stand.
Yeah, you did.
The part they failed to realize is we weren't arguing whether he did the crime or not.
I didn't even know if it was a criminal case to start with. It wasn't a criminal
wasn't.
case. It's a
It
civil
wasn't a-
case. I'm
yeah.
suing them.
Yeah, exactly. You're
I
suing
already
them
did my
because-
time. I already have it on my record. It's
Yes,
all. I'm already a
yes.
felon.
Yes.
I'm not
Not
arguing
anymore.
that.
No
Not
longer, sir.
anymore. Not anymore, sir.
Right.
Not anymore.
I was
That's what they
only
failed to
arguing they
realize.
didn't follow their process,
They were
and I
trying
did
to
not
say
get due
that
process.
you did it. That's what I was telling them. That wasn't what this was about. This is about how you were treated while in custody.
Yep.
Like I said. But yeah, I'll be in touch with you once I get. If there's an appeal filed, we'll let you know.
Got you.
Alrighty, sir.
Got you.
Whoop, whoop.
How the rest of y'all doing, Mr.
Anybody else have criminal charges you need? to
Anybody
deal
else got some shit
with?
they want
No,
taken care of?
Anybody else did
Records.
something?
Record's clean.
Oh shit.
My
'cause
record
he's a
is
cop.
clean, thanks to this man.
Yeah.
Ain't no cop.
yeah.
Who's a cop?
He's a cop.
I ain't
Who's
no
a cop?
cop.
Like a cop.
Who the fuck is a cop?
I don't trust nobody with a clean
Just
record.
because he knows a fucking cop or I know a cop doesn't
What
mean
do
the
you
cop,
mean?
motherfucker.
I'm just smart with what I do.
I guess there's a first time for everything.
All right, fellas, y'all got my number. Y'all know how to get a hold of me.
Here.
Yep.
Hey, next time, try not to make my job so difficult. Let's not do nothing too crazy, okay?
The fuck?
I need a ride. They stole my truck.
Where the fuck am I taking you?
I don't care. My house. Or to do some criminal shit. I don't know.
I gotta stop by the bank.
By the who?
By the bank.
You fucking made a deal and then reneged on it. What the fuck?
You got my cut.
Not on me.
Here.
Yerp. Yankee saved his ass, didn't he?
He did. He saved that man's ass.
I got no idea why KP's not fucking happy because fucking old Felon is fucking dropped.
For now.
I mean, you think he's gonna actually argue that shit?
He might. He seemed kind of salty.
Oh yeah, don't get me wrong, he did seem salty, but
Oh, there was no singing. That motherfucker was salty. Super salty.
I mean, as I heard, they came up with the agreement, and then he said he doesn't accept it. That didn't make sense.
He's super salty.
Who is salty?
Anthony.
Yeah, no shit. I want retrial. They're the ones who brought up the damn.
Yep, that's Don.
Agreement.
Hey, what's up, Don?
Miles, you need to come on duty. We're going to go arrest somebody.
Come on, can I come on duty?
Sure, you want to come?
Who are you gonna arrest?
Who we arresting?
I can't record that to you.
I'm pulling up, motherfucker. Dumb.
Go down to our SO chat and we'll talk.
Oh, sounds secretive.
Who is it?
It's him.
KP?
Wait, I got pulled down?
Why are you arresting him?
So they left the charges of super speeder and discharge.
He already served the time though.
That's
No.
double jeopardy.
Yes,
he
it
did
is.
serve the
No,
time.
it's not. Wait,
It did.
ready? I now, as a sheriff, can go charge him with the possession of a weapon because they never charged him, and because I have body cam footage, I can go charge it.
Yo, let's go fucking KP.
So, come on duty. We're gonna go arrest him.
All right.
Let's go